Division is coming to town. 95 divided by 2. What do you think? Follow along with me. First, draw the division symbol. We put 95 inside and 2 outside. Leave some space on top. That's where we'll write our answer. Now, we divide each digit in 95 by 2, using for steps. Divide. Multiply back. Subtract. Bring down. Let's go. Divide 9 by 2. How many times does 2 go into 9? That's 4 times. Write 4 above the 9. Multiply back. 4 times 2 equals 8. Write 8 under the 9. Subtract. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Bring down the 5. Now we have 15. Let's repeat the steps with 15. Divide 15 by 2. How many times does 2 go into 15? That's 7 times. Write 7 above the 5. Multiply back. 7 times 2 equals 14. Write 14 under the 15. Subtract. 15 minus 14 equals 1. No more numbers to bring down. The 1 is our remainder. Write our 1 next to the answer. The final answer is 47 remainder 1. Let's do some more. Grab your pencil and paper. We'll each solve it, then compare our answers. 72 divided by 5. Ready, set, go! I got 14 remainder 2. What did you get? I love that you gave it a go. High five! 374 divided by 3. Ready, set, go! I got 124 remainder 2. What did you get? Big smile! You gave it your best. Okay, here comes the big one. 5,417 divided by 4. Whisper the answer in the air so I can hear you.